ಅದನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್.
Hello students, today I am taking 8th standard biology second lesson cell cluster. What is a cell? Cell is a structural and functional unit of a living organism. What is a cell? You already learned first chapter. What is a cell? Cell is a structural and functional unit of a living organism. Then in this chapter, what we are going to study about, we have already studied cell. What about a cluster? What is a cell cluster? We observe, this is one flower, this is bunch of flower, this is one flower, this is what is this? This is bunch of flower, or this is cell, these are bunch of flower, or these are cluster of cell. This is one cell, these are cluster of cell. Now you already we have understood. Okay, this is one cell, these are all bunch of flower or cluster of cell. Okay, all organisms are made up of cell. All organisms are made up of cell, but how are different are the eyes, nose and tongue? The cells are different functions. The cells are different function. We have different cells in our body. We have different cells. The cells are different function and cells are different kinds in our body. Each part of body is made up of millions of different kinds of cells. In human beings, each part of the body is made up of millions of different kinds of cells. There are 200 different kinds of cells, like nerve cell, bone cell and muscle cell, and muscle cell, nerve cell, blood cell and bone cell. Different cells in our body, but looking same, but function also different. Cells are different functions, cells are different kinds in our body, functions also different. Are you same kind? No. The cells are different kinds in our body. We have different kinds in our body. Each part of the human body is made up of millions of different kinds of cells, and there are 200 different kinds of cells, like muscle cell, bone cell, blood cell and blood cell, bone cell, muscle cells in the human body. One boy asking one doubt. What is the doubt? What a wonder our body is. How do millions of such cells function effectively without getting messed up? One boy asked one doubt. This boy thinking that in our body millions of cells, in our body millions of cells, but how these millions of cells function effectively carry on our body? What is a physiological activity, or what is a physiological function? Physiological means, you know that physiological activity or physiological function, the physiological activity takes place in our body, like which one? Excretion, respiration and blood circulation, etc. There are many things happening in our body. Okay, physiological activity means excretion, respiration, blood circulation, etc. Many things happening in our body. Each organs are made up of different kinds of cells. Each organs are made up of different kinds of cell in our body, and different functions also different. Yes, no, we have cluster of cell in our body. We have cluster of cell in our body. What is that name? Tissue. What is a tissue? What is a cell? Cell is a structural and functional unit of living organisms. What is a tissue? Many cells present in our body, cluster of cells. The cluster of cells in our body, we have cluster of cells. What is the name? Tissue. What is a tissue? What is a tissue? Tissue means group of similar cells have a common origin and performing a specific function. What is a tissue? Tissue means group of cells, group of similar cells. Similar means the same. Okay, same kind of cell. Tissue. What is a tissue? Tissue means group of similar cell have a common origin and performing a specific function. For example, 8th standard students sitting in 8th standard only and 9th standard students sitting in 9th standard only, not sitting in 8th standard, 9th standard students. What is the difference 8th standard and 9th standard? Say age is different, age also different, then work also different. So now tissue means similar cell, same kind of cell, the similar cell. A group of similar cell have a common origin and performing a specific function, that is called as a tissue. And each tissue performing a specific function. And one single cell is divided to form a group of cell. It is calling tissue. Tissue performing a specific function. And there are different kinds of tissue in the multicellular organisms. Multicellular means many cells. Okay, there are different kinds of cell present in multicellular organisms like plants and animals. All cells are same, and the coordination action of these tissue helps in performing different physiological function effectively. This function is effectively, which function? Tissue's function. The coordination action of this tissue helps in performing different physiological function effectively. And have you observed nerve cell? In your textbook have one diagram, nerve cells and blood cells and bone cells. All are cells, even look also different, organs also different and functions also different. Which cells? Blood cells, bone cells and nerve cells, muscle cells. Even look different, organs also different, all are cells, even look different, functions also different and organs also different. Every multicellular organism originated from single cell. For example, human body also. The human body developed from single cell, that is called as zygote. Now next topic is from a single cell. What is single cell means? One cell. Which cell? Every multicellular organism are originated from single cell, that is called as zygote. What is a zygote? The zygote means in every multicellular organisms originated from single cell, it is called zygote. It is a eukaryotic cell. Zygote means eukaryotic cell which is formed, it is formed from union of male and female gametes. How forming zygote? It is formed from male and female, union of male and female gamete. Zygote is from sexual reproduction. Zygote is from sexual reproduction. And zygote is a undifferentiated cell. Zygote is undifferentiated cell and its structure and function is not determinate. This is one zygote. No function, no structure, no function. Zygote is undifferentiated cell, no one structure and function, and this zygote undergoes division to form a fetal cell. Zygote undergoes division to form a fetal cell. They have a shape and size and content. Okay, this fetal cell gradually attain change in structure and function. This process is known as cell differentiation. What is the cell differentiation? The fetal cell gradually attain change in structure and function. This process is called as cell differentiation. Zygote undergoes division to form a fetal cell. So in they have a structure, definite shape and structure. Okay, then this fetal cell continuously developed into to form a different nerve cell. This is a specialized cells. Which one? Nerve cell, blood cell, bone cell and muscle cell. This is specialized cell. This fetal cell is a partially differentiated cell. Fetal cell is a partial differentiated cell, and this is all the nerve cell, blood cell, bone cell, muscle cell, all are the specialized cell. The specialized cell formed from fetal cell. Specialized cell is formed from fetal cell. They have a definite specific shape and structure and function. Okay, definite shape, structure and function. Once again repeating, zygote. Zygote is a single cell. It is the body is originated from single cell. So now it is called as a zygote. This zygote undergoes division to form a fetal cell. Okay, zygote undergoes division to form a fetal cell. They have a shape, size and content, and this fetal cell gradually attain change in structure and function. This is called as a cell differentiation. And a specialized cell, these are all specialized cell formed from fetal cell. Okay, which is specialized cell? Nerve cell, blood cell, bone cell and muscle cells. Okay, now you can understand different shape of cells. Next one topic, animal tissue. What is animal tissue? Animal tissue means there are so many different types is there animal tissue. The animal tissue is made up of different kinds of cell and different group of cell. Different kinds of cell and different group of cell. What is the first one? Epithelial tissue. First one animal tissue. First name epithelial tissue. What is the main function of epithelial tissue? Epithelial tissue is cover body and organs also. Epithelial tissue cover, protect our body and organ, and body is covered by skin. Skin is the epithelial tissue. Okay, skin is the epithelial tissue. And what is the main function of epithelial tissue? The epithelial tissue protect from environment like cold and heat. Second one, epithelial tissue is cover the body and internal organs also. What is the main function of epithelial tissue? Epithelial tissue protect our environment, protect from environment like cold and heat. And another one function, epithelial tissue cover the body and internal organs also. And epithelial tissue forms the lining of all body cavities. Cover the all body cavities. That is main function of epithelial tissue. Once again observe your textbook in that diagram. Epithelial tissue, that is body is covered by skin, that is also epithelial tissue. Second one, nerve tissue. Nerve tissue is made up of neuron. In higher classes in coming, what is the study of neuron? The nerve tissue is made up of neuron. Where are the nerve tissue? Brain, spinal cord and nerve are made up of nervous tissue. Brain, spinal cord and nerves are made up of the nerve tissue. What is the main function of nerve tissue? One main function, control and coordinates physiological activity. Control and coordinates physiological activity. First one, like which one? Jumping and running. We are doing daily activities that controlling nerve system. Then second function, control and voluntary and involuntary activity. What is a voluntary and involuntary? Voluntary means jumping, running, that like, okay, etc. Then involuntary means inside body something happening like digestion, excretion and blood circulation and kidney function, that all example for involuntary activity or involuntary function. Control the voluntary and involuntary activities. Next, what is the next third function? Nerve tissue. It enables to respond to a stimuli, heat and cold. When you suddenly touch, so now that message going to brain, then sudden you giving reply. Okay, that is the main function of nerve tissue, unable to respond to the stimuli like heat and cold. Next, third one, muscular tissue. What is the main function of muscular tissue? It consists of cells that can contract and regain the original state, that holding, yes, no, muscles. First, what is it is consist of regain and contract and regain the original state, and second main function, it enables the movement of the body. That is main function of muscular tissue. Once again observe the diagram also. Next, last one, connective tissue. Connective tissue either connects and support them. There are so many types is there. Which one? Ligaments, tendons, bone, cartilage and fibrous tissue and blood. That different types is there, connective tissue. First one, bone and ligaments. Tendons and ligaments. The tendons that connect muscles to bone. What is the main function of tendons? That connect muscles to bone. That is main function of tendons. What is the function of ligaments? That connects bone to bone. Bone to bone. This is muscles to bone. Ligaments, bone to bone. Bone to bone. Next one, bone and cartilage. Bone and cartilage also connective tissue that helps in movement and provide structure, shape and strength to the body. Which one? Bone and cartilage, that is present inside the body. Bone and cartilage. Another one, the function, they cover, protect and internal organs, that protect internal organs. That is main function of bone and cartilage. Next one, fibrous tissue, that also connect other tissue that hold the eyes and kidney in proper places. Which one? Connective tissue, that connect the other tissue that can hold the eyes and kidney in proper place. Last one, blood. Blood also, which tissue? Fluid tissue, blood also. Also belong to the group of connective tissue, blood. And what is the main function of blood? Blood carries the various function like respiration, gases, which oxygen, that like. There is transporting respiratory gas and nutrients and providing immunity also. Providing immunity system also increasing. Which one? Connective tissue. Okay, first one, what is a cell? What is a cell? Cell is a structural and functional unit of living organisms. All organisms are made up of a cell, but cells are different function. The cells are different kinds in our body. Next one, what is the tissue? What is the tissue? Tissue is a group of similar cells have a common origin and performing a specific function. Then how from a single cell? How forming single cell? The human body developed from single cell, originated from single cell. Then the zygote is formed from union of male and female gametes. And zygote undergoes division to form a fetal cell. They have fetal cell. They have a structure and shape and content. They have a no. It is a partially differentiated cell, fetal cell, and this is a specialized cell formed from fetal cell. A specialized cell like nerve cell, blood cell, bone cell, and muscle cells. They have a specific structure and function also. And then the different types of animal cell. First one, epithelial tissue. What is the main function? It cover the body and internal organs. And the second one, nerve tissue. Nerve tissue, it is made up of neuron. And third one, muscular tissue, is consist of cell, contracts and regain the original state. And fourth one is connective tissue. Connective tissue, there are so many types is there. One, tendons, ligaments, bone and cartilage, fibrous tissue, and last one, blood. Okay students, thank you.